Some of you may be thinking to yourselves, seriously, all of this can't happen on this show. Well, let me just tell you, there's always one more thing happens. So during this demo, there's one thing about this house that, or specifically in this bathroom, that I've had a question for a while, is where did these switches go to? We're in a room that is about 25 square feet. Total 25 square feet. I make 2 steps and I'm in the hall. Okay, so here's the question. Here's the light. That beautiful 1970s. Anyways, where's that go? There's no light. Huh. Weird. Nothing. So then we go over to this side of my tiny little bathroom. There's the... Oh, I love that fan. Oh, I got stuff. That's disgusting. Well, anyways, we don't use this bathroom very often. Like, ever. And they're 3-way. It's a 3-way switch. Nothing. So I'm befuddled. However, I'm just waiting to see, when I tear off some of these walls, where these lines go. So I don't know if they wired. It's wired. So that one's wired, that one's wired, but it doesn't go anywhere. There's no light. So was there a light there and then they put in these sun lights and they just took the light out? Or is there just a box up there I don't know about that has wiring to it? That. Or there's just wires cut off with no terminal caps, like I found in other places in this house, and they're just happen to be upstairs somewhere. Because these wires look like they're going somewhere. They're wired together. Now, I will say I haven't gotten out any of the 3 voltage meters I have the Klein voltage meters. I haven't checked these, so I don't know if they're powered. No, that's just a joke. I wouldn't do that. Well, I have gotten zapped here, but not by these. Other than that, yeah. You guys have a blessed day.